I'm so bored. Mom, I'm so bored. I'm tired of playing video games and stuff.
Well, what do you want to do? You could play with Scott or paint or play with board games.
That would be fun if only I had board games and paint.
What if I order?
Really? Thanks, Mom.
I'll order them right now. Whoa, that was quick.
Wow, I love it! We're gonna paint eggs? Awesome!
Here's the other one.
A Christmas board game? It's not even Christmas.
Well, that's the only board game I saw.
It's okay, at least it's cute. Come on, let's play.
Okay.
I'll have Rudolph.
Okay, and I'll have Santa. Good job!
Time to paint. Look what I did!
Good job, I love it. Now let's paint all the other eggs. Good job, Chloe.
Now let's play with Scott.